Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you what you can do it if you want to opt off Meta AI on Instagram. If you've been seeing Meta AI features and want to reduce your interaction with them, here's what you need to know. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign into your account. It's important to know that Instagram currently does not offer a setting that completely disables or removes Meta AI from the app. However, you can avoid using Meta AI by simply not interacting with the AI chat, AI search features, or AI generated suggestions when they appear. If you've already started a conversation with Meta AI, open the chat, tap the conversation options, and choose to delete or clear the chat if that option is available. You can also manage certain AI-related preferences through Instagram settings as new options become available in future app updates. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, since settings and features may change over time. If Meta introduces additional controls for AI features in the future, they typically be available through the settings and privacy menu. And that's it. That's what you can currently do if you want to opt out of Meta AI on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.